set up a camp site, and we've been seeing some weird stuff around here this afternoon. On the way here this afternoon, we both was looking at the same thing at the same time, and we swear it was a yowie crouched down. We're seeing the head and the shoulders, and then it took off.
Brilliant, man.
You hear that tree knock, Chase?
Yeah.
Clear as it come from over there.
Yeah.
Where we just come from, basically in that direction.
And that's where we're hearing noises too before as well.
Clear as.
Yeah.
Take your time when we get down here, Jace.
Yeah, bro.
Nice and easy, alright?
Yep.
Once we cross that creek here. Alrighty. Okay.
Batteries afloat, dude.
Yeah, mate, and this rain won't let up, eh?
Yeah, no. It's been raining all night, man. And we're stupid enough to come out here.
Ah, well, we've got a base camp set up, a very basic one. Keep us dry. We'll get a fire going soon. Just check these tree camps.
Yep.
Research-wise, we can't do a lot tonight. It's too wet out here.
No.
But,
We're not
you know, hey?
We might not get much sound, but there is a lot of activity.
There's a lot of activity, bro.
And when we arrived, we actually saw a lot of...
Well, we seen one.
Oh, yeah.
And it took off real quick.
Very quick.
And we've seen another one moving through here too. And how many tree knocks we heard? About 4.
Actually 5.
Yeah.
5, man. Right, let's go.
Alright. Stay tuned, guys.
Arrived at Jason's tree camp. I've got nothing on mine, my batteries are flat, so I can't check it until I get back.
This is soaking wet, guys. These tree cams are wet. It's wet out here, guys. We won't spend a lot of time. I won't spend a lot of time checking the camera now, but just quickly have a quick flick through. It's still, hang on, this video's still going. Something weird on there as usual. Yeah, you got something weird on there again, Jace. I don't know what it is. I'll take the memory card out, change the batteries. I'll check it properly later.
Yep.
Still working.
Amazing.
Infrared's going off. You can see the infrared tree camera probably.
Oh, yep, definitely.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Doing its job. Triggered. Boom. Rainy as out here today.
My glasses are fogging up.
Yeah, everything's wet. All the tree cam here is wet.
Yep. Mate, it's a rainy day, guys, eh? Unbelievable. I hope you're enjoying it because we're loving it. Hi guys, just checking my tree cam. Paul Jason's rubbing apples on his. Just going to check mine. Oh, still full battery power, that's alright then. 761 pictures. That's a disgrace. That's alright. I'll check it later. Take it with us. He's just wrapping apples on his tree. I'm not going to do any of that. I just left mine and we came straight here. It's raining. I don't know how you feel, but man, this is awesome.
Hi guys, we checked the cams. We're taking a couple away. We're going to put in a different area altogether, a new location for next week.
Yep.
But we're leaving a couple here. put some apples like we usually do. It's absolutely pouring, as Jason will show you. You can hear it now. Stay tuned, guys. Back to JD.
Let's go, guys.